Snowballs by Lois Ehlert. Do you think birds know when it's going to snow? I do. The seeds we left out were almost gone. New snow would soon bury the rest. We'd been waiting for a really big snow, saving good stuff in a sack. Finally, it was a perfect snowball day. We rolled 3 snowballs and made a snow dad. Added a snow mom. And a cool snow boy. Made a snow girl. And a round snow baby. Built our cat, and to end the day, made our dog Spot. I guess you know what happened when the sun came out. Snow Dad's shrinking. Mom is mush, boy's a blob, girl is slush, baby's melting, cat's getting small, dog is a puddle.